you a simple Minecraft mod made by onnowwhere. And onnowwhere is a person that makes lots of Minecraft vanilla mods, basically. And vanilla mods are things that you make in Minecraft without mods. I'm just clearing up some space so the video won't lag. So they're basically mods in vanilla Minecraft. So you spawn with the bird mechanics off. So birds, a vanilla mod by onnowwhere, or something like that. But so you can right click this for a guidebook, and you have to have all of this in your inventory to do this. But let me find the guidebook. Oh, that's the enchanted book. So birds, a complete guide. It seems you have found yourself on nowhere, but now here. Oh no, it seems you found yourself on now here. Now here can be an interesting place. This little here. YouTube, Family Creations, Bird Mechanics, page 4, first, wow, 34 pages. So he worked on this a lot. So turn the bird mechanics on, it lags a tiny bit. And then if you press create scoreboards, it'll give you everything that you need. You can have a red bird and a brown bird. So let me fly far away from the mechanics so we don't get any lag. Like here should do. So here it is. It's a birdie. And here's the red birdie. They always get stuck in each other if they... And I think it's pretty cool, but... There we go, they separated. And it's actually got nice bird chirps. Let me fly back up to the base over here. Crafting and building recipes in every obtainable. Top right, recipe for omelet. Bottom for omelet. Crafting. Omelet. What? Egg white. Yolk, carrot bowl. I actually might want to try this. Here, let me get a so I'm gonna get a crafting table. Okay, this is lagging again. Egg white, yolk, carrot, seeds, and a bowl. Egg white, yolk, carrot, seeds, and a bowl. So that will give you an omelet. Guess it's just fake crafting. But thanks for watching this video. All rights to the creator. onnowwhere, and bye.